renovated the school. We had the first permanent building in that school. And if it was a day secondary school, I told them that by my 5 years tenure, I will make sure that we have 100% equipped and complete science laboratories in all the day secondary schools in Molo constituency. Honorable Speaker, I'm saying again here that I was re-elected on that merit. So when the issues of NGCDF come to this House, and the reports that we are hearing today, where some have mismanaged the funds sent to their constituencies, and some are being well uploaded on the equalization that has been done in our education system. Because, Honorable Speaker, the availability of infrastructure in our schools, the availability of a fund where people that cannot be able to pay school fees have a recourse to go to through bursaries. When we can do scholarships for the very needy families in this country and make sure that they go to school, then that becomes an equalizer in our society. Honorable Speaker, nobody wants to be poor. Nobody wants to be born poor. And certainly, nobody wants to die poor. On the being born poor, it's not a choice of anyone in the republic of this country. If you all be asked, we would be born in privileged families where we could have everything that we would want. But that is not the reality. So the only way we could bridge that gap between those born in privileged families and those born in absolute poverty, in underprivileged families, in families of need, if we made sure that our public education system gets to work. Honorable Speaker, in my normal line of interaction, I meet some people who tell me they went to school in Molo. And in my imagination, I always think, so where did you go to school in Molo? And some will tell me I went to Molo Academy, I went to Marymount, like my wife did, I went to Albagon Secondary School. Those people, especially, that are doing well in their careers. But one of the instances, I met somebody who told me I went to Turi. Honorable Speaker, Turi is one of the wards, one of the rural wards in my constituency, because my turn wards will be Albagon and Molo. So I was very curious to find out, which school did you go to Turi? Only for him to tell me, okay, I actually went to St. Andrews. In my imagination, Honorable Speaker, I do not count St. Andrews, Turi, as one of the schools in my constituency. Until someone did tell me that they actually went to Turi, and when I thought they probably went to Turi Secondary School, or to St. Bridan Secondary School, or to Mianzini, they actually told me that they went to St. Andrews. It took me a further surprise